How to transfer data from Samsung S23 Ultra to iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer all the important data from a Samsung S23 Ultra to an iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 16. It's quick, simple, and you don't need a computer. Let's get started. 1. Prepare your iPhone. Turn on your iPhone and follow the setup steps. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android. 2. Set up your Samsung device. On your Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to the Play Store and install the app Move to iOS. Open the app, tap Continue, agree to the terms and tap Next. 3. Connect the devices. On the iPhone, a 6 to 10 digit code will appear. Enter this code on the Samsung phone. Wait for the devices to connect. This creates a secure Wi-Fi link between them. 4. Choose one to transfer. On your Samsung, select the data you want to move, like contacts, messages, photos, and more. Tap Next to start the transfer. Optional: transfer WhatsApp chats. If you want to move your WhatsApp story, open the WhatsApp on the Samsung, go to Settings, Chats, move chats to iOS and follow these steps. 5. Finish the process. Once the transfer is done, tap Done on your Samsung. Then, continue setting up your iPhone until you reach the home screen. And that's it. That was the step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer data from Samsung S23 Ultra to your new iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 16. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.